In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound coming out of your TV on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the very first common thing you want to do is just make sure you haven't accidentally pressed the mute button on your TV. It's a thing that a lot of people do. I think everyone's guilty of doing that at least once in their life. But if that still doesn't work, what you want to do is press the middle button, which is the PlayStation button on your controller. Then you're going to come up in this section right here. And what you want to do is go to sound and just make sure your output device is your TV and it's not a USB headset or anything else that you have connected. Could be AirPods or like literally a headset or anything like that. You want to make sure it's set to TV. Then you can set your controller speaker as well. And you know, if you're using like Netflix or anything like that, you want to make sure your media volume isn't completely low and you want to make sure it's like at a good level for you to be able to hear your video and music. And another thing you can do is go over to settings on the top right. Then you're going to see sound right here as well. Your microphone, you don't need to change that because that's your input, not your output. You want to go to your audio output. Again, make sure it's your HDMI device, which is your TV. You know, you can change it from amp, soundbar or anything like that, but you want to keep it to TV. Then you just want to make sure that your format is linear PCM, but if you have Dolby Atmos or Dolby Audio, you can change it to that as well. But then after that, you should be working all good. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.